Okay. Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem on Kirchhoff's current law. So we are going to apply KVL and then we are going to apply KCL. So this is the circuit given, and there is one voltage source and one current source. Basically, you have three resistances. So you just need to find the currents I1 and I2 using mesh analysis. So what is the first thing? First thing is I would assume the direction of current as clockwise. So this name it as I1, and the direction should always be clockwise, and this would be I2. Okay, and this is the question given. So this is 90 volts given, this is 9 ohms, and this is 6 ohms, this is 8 ohms given, and this is 5 amperes. So first, what is the first step? Step one, you're going to apply KCL at node VC. So let me just say that this is a node VC. What is a node? Node is a point where three or more than three circuit elements meet. Now, if you can see, I1 is entering 5 amperes and I2 current is leaving. I am not bothered about this direction. You just write I1 is equals to I2 plus 5 ampere. I2 plus 5 ampere. And next is I'm going to apply KVL to mesh 1. So how will you apply? You should always remember that there will be a drop across the resistance. Let me quickly write. This is plus minus. This is given minus to plus. This is plus and minus. Right. So minus 2. I'll just go like this. So it would be plus 2 minus will be a drop. I'll write this is 90. This is 9. Okay, 9. Yeah, so it is minus 9 I1. Whenever you find resistance, just multiply it with current I1. So basically, you are writing V minus I into R is equals to 0. Whenever you have voltage, just write voltage as it is. Whenever you find resistance, you have to multiply it with current, and there will always be a drop across the resistance. So that would give you minus 9 I1. Now, if you see here, plus 2 minus, again, it's a drop. And here, how much you have? You have 6 ohms given. Okay, this is your 6 ohms. So it would be minus 6 into, you are considering which mesh? First mesh. So first mesh current will be positive, second mesh current will be negative. I1 minus I2. And if you see like this, current would come like this, no? So it would be minus 2 plus. It would be plus. So I'll write plus 90 is equal to 0. If you simplify this, you'll get minus 9 I1 minus 6. 15 I1 minus 15 I1. Minus into minus is plus 6 I2 plus 90 is equals to 0. This is your equation 1. Now, similarly, if you apply KVL to mesh 2, you'll get another equation. Let us quickly apply. Again, if you see, there is a drop across the resistance. And this would be, if you are writing plus minus here, and the opposite side, it would be reverse of what you are writing in the first mesh. So let me just apply. So 6 into, I'm taking second mesh. So it would be I2 minus I1. Okay, and it would be plus 8 I2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus, it's a drop. It will be minus 8 I2, and minus 6, what do you say? I2 minus I1. If you multiply with minus outside, you will get this equation. So this is your second equation. Let me just simplify. It would be 6 I2 minus 6 I1 plus 8 I2 is equals to 0. So this will give you 6 I2 plus 8 I2 is 14 I2 minus 6 I1 is equals to 0. So you'll get 14 I2 is equal to 6 I1. Okay. So substitute I1. Substitute I1. What is I1 from here? So I1 will be 14 I2 by 6. So substitute this value in your equation 1. What you will get? So you'll get I1 in equation 1. Great. So you'll get 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6. So I1 is equals to 7 I2. Just substitute. So it would be minus 15 into I1 is 7 I2 by 3 plus 6 I2 plus 90 is equals to 0. So if you simplify this, you'll get one equation that is, it is 35i2 minus 6i2 is equal to 90. This is your equation 3. Alright, now 35i2 minus 6i2 is how much? It's 29i2 is equal to 90. So I2 will be equal to 90 by 29. So that would give you the value of I2. So the value of I2 is, I think it's 3.10 ampere. From here, you got I2. Now, if you substitute this I2, substitute I2 in this, name this equation as a small one. So you'll get I1 is equal to I1 is equals to 7 into 3.10 divided by 3. So you got the value of I1 and I2. So how much is I1 you got? So I1 is equal to 7.24 amperes. So this is the final answer. As this question has current source, so this is somewhat different when compared to other problems. If you see, there is one voltage source that is 90 volts given and one current source that is 5 ampere. How you are differentiating voltage source and current source? If it's a voltage source, you'll have a battery, and if it's a current source, you'll have an arrow. Okay, thank you.